Hello and welcome back to The Road to Good Cooking, and for those of you that are new to my channel, welcome, and please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell. That way you'll be notified every time I upload a video. Now here is my Labor Day cook, and I hope you enjoy it. Today is my play day, and I know I've been busy last couple of days, but I'm finally done moving. Everything is in. I'm just organizing now, and today is going to be my fun day because I'm going to do some smoking and barbecue some ribs for my family and just enjoy the day. So I'll bring you along and I'll let you see what I'm up to. Okay, so I'll see you in a minute. Gotta go prepare my ribs. Oh, it was so nice just to walk outside the door onto the patio and fire up my smoker. Or haven't fired it yet, but I'm getting ready to. But oh, I'm in heaven. I'm in absolute heaven. Let me show you what I'm working with. Today I'm going to be using my small smoker, my PBJ, that's what I call him. My Pitbarrel Cooker Junior. And there's Sophie. Hey, So. She don't want to be bothered. But yeah, I'm going to be smoking on my small smoker today. Okay, I'm going to be smoking 3 slabs of Babyback ribs. And I'm probably going to make some macaroni and cheese. And I think I have some broccoli in the freezer there and whatever else I can find in my sister's pantry and fridge I'm going to cook up today. So there we go. Let me get these bad boys seasoned up and I'll be back with you in a second. And I'm going to sauce my ribs down with 3 different sauces. And today I'm trying whiskey barbecue sauce. And this is a sauce made by my smoking, cooking brother, Jamie, over at the barbecue balcony. And he made this wonderful sauce, which I can't wait to try. And the second slab I'm going to slather with some Sweet Baby Ray's. Can't go wrong with that. And then here is a batch of sauce that I made. It's kind of like, has an Asian inspired teriyaki flavor. And so we should be set. 3 different sauces on 3 different slabs of ribs. There you go. Ooh, it's going to be on and popping. I wish I had some collard greens. Didn't feel like going to the store. Oh well. Okay, my sister was kind enough to give up half of her dish cabinet for my spices. And this is just part of them. I mean, I have 2 shelves in the pantry as well with spices. So, hey, don't judge. I got a lot of spices, okay? And since I'm going to be using my PBJ, my Pitbarrel Junior, I'm using Pitbarrel Cooker All-Purpose Rub. And I'm still unpacking, so I haven't been able to find my shakers yet. So you know what I did? Look, I improvised that bad boy. This had some popcorn salt in it. I dumped that popcorn salt out so I can have this because I don't have a shaker and I can't find my shakers. Hey, this works. Look, works just fine. Okay? Sometimes you gotta improvise and adapt, homie. Okay, I can't show you guys the step-by-step because I don't have my tripod and I'm doing this with one hand, but I'm taking the membrane out the back of all of my ribs. That's that slimy, rubbery piece of skin that's on the back of the rib. And I just pull it off with a piece of paper towel and it comes right off, see? And that way, you take this off, that way that all that beautiful spice that I'm going to put on there will penetrate this meat, and it's going to be so good. And to get my spices to stick, I'm going to use this balsamic honey dressing, and I'm going to use that as my binder for my seasonings. Okay, so I'll be back for the next step. Okay, I just thought about something. I'm only going to use that balsamic, this right here, the balsamic honey, as my binder on the back because I'm not sure how much honey is in here, and I don't want my ribs to burn before they get done. So I'm just going to do the back side and call it a day. All right, everything is all seasoned up, and look at those bad boys. They smell absolutely amazing. I cut them in half because I'm going to be hanging them, and I don't know, I just prefer to have them cut in half. That way everybody will have their own little slab. Alrighty, so here they are. I'm going to go outside and get my PBJ warmed up, and then we'll be ready to rock and roll here in a second. Yes, look at that. Whew, and they smell so good. Oh, and let me tell you, hang on. I use some of this too. This is my first layer of seasoning. I got this from my smoking brother, James, over at Aim 'em and Claim 'em, and this stuff is so good. It's good on steaks, as you could tell by the name, Cow Whisperer. But I put this stuff on everything, and it is good. And look at all them bad boys. Look at all the spice in there. Ooh, look at that. And it is so good. Okie dokie. Let me get out in the patio. Talk to you in a little bit. All the ribs are hooked and ready to go on the smoker. And I think I'm going to smoke some onions too. 8 onion. And that's hooked and ready to go. And that's going to go on my macaroni salad. Yes. Okay, I got PBJ. Got my coals heating up right now, and it should be ready to go in about 8 minutes. So, can't wait. Ooh, yes indeed. Thank you, Lord, for this day. And when you know it, today of all days when I'm smoking, I can't find my wood, but I was able to unpack a box and I found 2 pieces of maple wood chunks. See, God's looking out for me today. Thank you, Lord, for helping me find these chunks. Okay, here everybody's hanging. There's my 6-half slab of ribs and my onion. And that smoke is going, and I'm getting ready to cover it back up because if you're looking, you ain't cooking. PBJ putting in the work today. Look at her. Go ahead, PBJ. Do your thing. Now, next week, when I fire up my big girl over there, the bear, I'm going to give you guys a menu choice, and you pick out the choices that you would like to see me cook on this grill. And when I fire it up, that way you can be the judge, not the judge, but you can tell me what you would like to see. Alrighty, out of the choices I'm going to give you. Okay, got that? I'm going to give you a bunch of choices, and then you decide as to what you want me to cook out of the choices that I'm going to give you. Okay, have a good day. All right, it is time for me to chill now. I forgot to give you an update. In the morning at 6:30 a.m., I have to be over at Desert Radiology to get my comprehensive EKG and my chest x-ray and some other kind of x-ray. I'm not really sure. But I have to do that tomorrow. And then I have a meeting with an appointment with my doctor. And hopefully she'll give me the thumbs up and sign off on my pre-op stuff so they can get the surgery scheduled. So that should be coming up pretty quick. So there you go. Now you've been updated. I'll tell you one thing, it's hotter than all get out here. But I don't care nothing about that because I'm sitting outside. And I got on my Memphis in May apron. A friend of ours was a judge from Memphis in May, so she gave Jerry and I this apron. I think it's in 2005, I think. Yeah, it was 2005. So, okay, well, I'll check back with you guys later when I do something else with the ribs. I'm just going to leave them alone now for about an hour or so, and I'll check them again in an hour. Maybe spritz them, maybe not, I don't know. I'm going to go in the house where it's nice and cool. Pardon the noise. Every time the air conditioner comes on, you'll probably be able to hear it. So I'll have to do this in between the air conditioner coming on. Talk to you guys later. Okay, look at these babies. Ooh, yes indeed. There's my onion. You ought to smell it. It smells fabulous. Let's see what these ribs are looking like. Get one up here. Try to see if I can get this one out. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, those are looking good. Let's put it this way. Can you see it? There we go. Looks good, huh? Smoked onion mac and cheese going in the oven. And this is not that box stuff. This is homemade cream sauce, elbow macaroni, all kinds of goodness in my cheese sauce, and those those smoked onions. I diced them up, mixed them up in there, and you talking about something good. Look at that. You kids don't know nothing about that. And here's a moment of truth. Got a beautiful smoke ring on them, and they are just flavorful all the way down to the bone. And you know I had to taste one. You know I did. You already know that. And look at how juicy these ribs are. Look at that. Yes, indeed. Perfect. Perfect, perfect. And they cut like butter. Even though I'm not used to my sister's knife, but they still cut like butter. Perfect rib right there. And I, like I mentioned before, I used 3 different sauces, and they were all absolutely wonderful, enjoyed by all. And I'm going to be doing these again, I'm sure. And here is my dinner. And I didn't get a chance to do a mukbang, but I will. And it was absolutely delicious. Well, thank you for hanging out with me on this Labor Day cook, and I hope you all had a wonderful Labor Day. I know I did. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell. That way you'll be notified every time I upload a video. And I hope you're all doing well. I'm still awaiting my knee surgery, which should be coming up any time now, but I still wanted to stop in and perhaps I can get a couple more videos in before that happens. But I appreciate all of your support and all of your prayers and warm thoughts. They mean more to me than you'll ever know. Thank you so much, and I will see you guys soon. And I'd like to give a special thanks to the Barbecue Balcony for this wonderful whiskey barbecue sauce. And Jamie, this sauce was off the hook. Thank you so much, my friend, for sending it to me. Have a blessed day, and I'll see you when I see you.